Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I come up with another video, and this video about the lock wall of Volvo loader. So we are going to change the gasket of this lockup valve. This is our lockup valve. So this side is a pressure sensor. I removed this connector already. And this left side is our lockup solenoids. So I am going to remove its connectors. My hand is not reaching there. So first I will try to remove this connector. Okay, this harness. So hit this connector. Okay, so hand is not reaching there. So first I remove this one. After, you can see this lockup valve have the two hoses are there and 4 bolt. Just I will remove this 4 bolt and these two inlet and outlet ports hoses are there. So we remove all these two hoses and a 4 bolt, and after we pick out this valve and show you outside, actually it's a gasket is leakage, oil is leaking, so therefore we are removing this one and we check that maybe gasket is a finish or another problem why this oil is leakage here. So here you can see this one is our lockup valve. So we have removed it. So this one is our pressure sensor and this one is our solenoid. Lockup solenoid, this is a lockup pressure sensor. 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and this is input port and this one is output port. So I'm going to clean it, and after we fix it back, just only going to clean it. This is a place from where we remove this lockup valve. So I'm going to also clean this connector. This is, you can see, is very dirty. So I will clean it. It's very difficult to reach there, but I will try to clean it. So as you can see, I have cleaned this one, okay, and also clean the connectors of this pressure sensor and the connector of this solenoid. So I clean it. So these are 2 ports, okay. So 1 port this one port this. These are input and output ports, and this is this one is the solenoid lockup sensor, lockup solenoid, and this is lockup pressure sensor. So we are going to fix back. So we are going to fix the gasket. Okay, so this one is a gasket. So this gasket actually was dirty, so we also clean it, and also this old one I fixing back because this was dirty, therefore the oil was leakage from here. So as you can see, we have fixed back this lockup valve. 3 bolt we have finished fix, but one is remaining. So because we can't show you this, you can with 3 bolt we fix it, and one is remaining. We can't show you fixing this one because this is very difficult. During the fixing, we can't shoot the video. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend, and also give a like.